So in this realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view farms here on realtor.com or the realtor.com application. So once you have the application opened up or the website opened up, simply go into the area that you're looking for. So for this demonstration, I have Las Vegas and Nevada selected. And I go to the top left, press on filters right here. Then under where it says property type, press on that. And by default, it actually does have all of the property types selected. Now, if you're only looking for farms that are for sale, simply just unselect every single option, but make sure that the farm option right here is selected with the green check mark. Once that is done, go to the bottom and press on apply. And once that is done here, you can actually view farms that are for sale. So for this demonstration, maybe Las Vegas, Nevada was a bad example. So if we want to go ahead to a different area right here, maybe more north, you can go over here. Anywhere there's a red dot, for instance, will be farms that are for sale sort of in the area for this demonstration. So you can sort of play around with it. You can go, zoom in more, you can zoom out more, whatever the case may be. And the options will present themselves right here in regards to farms that are for sale. So super straightforward, super simple. But this is how to view farms for sale here on realtor.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.